Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Lao Tzu. In our modern society, we often feel pressured to rush, achieve, and accomplish at a rapid pace. We are driven by deadlines, expectations, and a sense of urgency. In the natural world, everything unfolds at its own pace, following the cycles and patterns set in motion by the universe. We witness the changing seasons, the growth of plants, and the movement of celestial bodies. Each process occurs without force or haste, yet everything comes to fruition in due course, everything occurs in perfect timing.